Hello students, my name is Dr. Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor in Mathematics in the Applied Science and Humanities Department, IET, Lucknow, which is a constituent college of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. In this lecture, we shall discuss about the complex matrices, and this is the outline of my topic. This is the complex matrices, conjugate of complex matrix, transpose of conjugate of complex matrix, Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices, unitary matrix, some results and problems and its solutions. So, let us see what are the complex matrices. A complex matrix is a matrix in which at least one element is a complex number a plus iota b, where a b are real numbers and iota is equal to under root minus 1. Then the now see here example, this is the matrix A, 2 plus 3 iota minus 7 iota 5 1 minus iota. So, this is a complex matrix of order 2 by 2 and the elements are complex numbers. Now, conjugate of complex matrix. The matrix obtained by replacing the elements of a complex matrix A by the corresponding conjugate complex numbers is called the conjugate complex of the matrix and is denoted by A bar. That is, if A is a complex matrix Aij, then the conjugate of A can be obtained by taking the conjugate of each element Aij bar, and this is the of same order m by n as the order of given matrix. For example, let here A is equal to 1 minus iota, 2 iota, minus 3 iota. Then A bar is equal to 1 plus iota, minus 2 iota, minus 3 minus iota. You see here we have taken conjugate of each element 1 minus iota, this is the 1 plus iota. You know, if z is equal to x plus iota y, then conjugate of z will be equal to x minus iota y. In this way we can find the conjugate of complex matrix. Now, transpose of conjugate of complex matrix. It is obtained by taking the transpose of conjugate matrix of the complex matrix A, and the transposed conjugate of A is denoted by A star. It is also denoted by A theta somewhere. So, A theta, that is same thing A star here, this is equal to, see here, conjugate means conjugate of A and take its transpose. So, this is the definition of transposed of conjugate of A, and this is also equal to, if we take first transpose of A and then take transpose of A, then it is also a transposed conjugate of A. Now, on the basis of transposed conjugate of A, there are two definitions. First is Hermitian matrix and second will be skew Hermitian matrix. Now, first we will see about the Hermitian matrix. A square complex matrix A is said to be Hermitian if A star is equal to A. That is, if A is given, then we take the transpose of conjugate of A, then that will be equal to A. Then in that time the matrix A will be known as Hermitian matrix. Now see here, observe here, if A is Hermitian, then Aij is equal to Aji conjugate. Now on the diagonal elements Aii, this will be equal to Aii conjugate. Now observe here, if we solve it, then Aii means, suppose that x plus iota y, this is Aii, then Aii bar, it will be x minus iota y, and this implies what? This is 2 iota y is equal to 0, and you know 2 iota is not equal to 0, so y is equal to 0. So in this case we see here all the diagonal elements have only real part. So that is the topic point. In a Hermitian matrix the diagonal elements are all real numbers. This is the important thing. Now see here one example. A is given, then we can show that A star is equal to A, that is A is Hermitian. Now see here, take the transpose means conjugate of A, then it will be equal to what? 5, 2 minus iota and 3 iota. This is the conjugate of elements 2 plus iota and minus 3, 1 minus iota, this will be 1 plus iota, and 3 iota, this will be minus 3 iota, and 1 plus iota, 1 minus iota, and 0, this is 0. Now take the transpose of this, means A conjugate dash, this will be equal to first row as first column 5, 2 minus iota, and this is 3 iota, and in the second row will be second column 2 plus iota, and this is minus 3, 1 plus iota, and third row as third column minus 3 iota, 1 plus iota, and this is 0, sorry 1 minus iota here, 1 minus iota, because minus 3 iota, 1 minus iota, 0. Now see here, this will be equal to 5, 2 plus iota, minus 3 iota, 2 minus iota, this will be equal to A, that is A star is equal to A. Therefore A is Hermitian, ये आपका Hermitian matrix होगा. तो in this way, whenever you have to check a given matrix is Hermitian or not, first of all you have to take conjugate of A and then take the transpose of A. If transpose of conjugate of A is equal to A, which is the given matrix, then you can say that A is Hermitian. Now skew Hermitian matrix. The definition of skew Hermitian matrix is this: a square complex matrix A is said to be skew Hermitian if A star is equal to minus A. There is only one difference. In this case there will be minus A, and in the Hermitian case this is plus A. So remember this definition. Now observe here, in a skew Hermitian matrix the diagonal elements are 0 or purely imaginary number. Yes, you see here, in this case suppose that A is equal to Aij is a matrix, square matrix which is a complex matrix, then A star, that will be Aji and its conjugate transpose of its conjugate. This is also of order m by m. Now see here, the diagonal element aii, that will be what? Minus sign, and this is the minus sign also. This will be minus a. It means that minus of aii conjugate. Now see here, suppose that this is x plus iota y aii, then its aii conjugate will be x minus iota y, and put it in this above equation in here, then x plus iota y, that will be equal to minus of x minus iota y, and in this way this is 2x is equal to this is 0. It means that x is equal to 0. So see here, the diagonal elements aii will be equal to iota y only. There is no real part. Then if the imaginary part y is equal to 0, this is the possibility, or y is not a 0, then diagonal elements will be pure imaginary due to presence of iota. Iota is a imaginary number. So in this way, this point has been raised. In a skew Hermitian matrix, the diagonal elements are 0 or purely imaginary number. Now this is the example. Check here, S is equal to 3 iota, 1 plus iota, 7, minus 1 plus iota, 0, minus 2 minus iota, minus 7, 2 minus iota, minus iota. Now see here, this is the S, then this will be S star actually, and this definition will be followed if A is equal to this. So same thing, we take here S star. So S star will be, we first take the conjugate of each element, and at the same time we transpose this matrix. So see here, this will be minus 3 iota, and this will be 1 minus iota in the column, and this will be 7, and this will be minus 1 minus iota, and this is 0, and this is minus 2 plus iota, and in the last column minus 7, and this will be 2 plus iota. This is the y is another thing, this is iota, and this is plus iota. So see here, minus 3 iota, minus 1 minus iota. If we take minus sign common, then you will get again the matrix yes, because if you take minus sign common, then it will be 3 iota, 1 plus iota, and this is 7. This is the 7, minus sign common here, so 7, and this is 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 plus iota, and so on. So in this way we can see that this is the skew Hermitian matrix. Now in the next, see here unitary matrix. So a square complex matrix A is said to be unitary if A into A star is equal to A star into A is equal to identity matrix. Now this is the example and problem also. Show that the matrix this alpha plus iota gamma minus beta plus iota delta and beta plus iota delta alpha minus iota gamma is unitary if alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square is equal to 1. So in this case, let A is equal to the given matrix, then we can find the conjugate of A, that will be equal to alpha minus iota delta minus beta minus iota delta, beta minus iota delta, beta alpha plus iota gamma. Now we can find transpose of A conjugate, that will be A star, and that is equal to alpha minus iota gamma, and first row as first column minus beta minus iota delta, second row at second column beta minus iota delta, and second row means as the second column here. Now we can find A into A star. Now see here, we can multiply it, first row first column, then we will get alpha square plus gamma square plus beta square plus delta square, and first row second column, then we can find this value, and see here, and second row first column, this is the value in the second row second column element, and second row second column element will be alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square, and this is second row first column will be here second row first column element. Now observe here, this alpha beta cancelled out, minus alpha beta, minus iota delta alpha, this is plus iota delta alpha cancelled out here, and minus this plus iota beta gamma, this is minus this is the minus iota beta gamma here, and gamma delta, this is minus delta. So see here, this is will be 0, means this will be alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square, this is 0, and this is 0, and this is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. Now this is the identity matrix if this element will be 1. So see here, this is the problem, if this is the alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square equal to 1, then it will be a unitary matrix. Now again there are some results you can observe very easily. A conjugate whole conjugate will be A, and A plus B conjugate A conjugate plus B conjugate, lambda into A conjugate will be equal to lambda conjugate A conjugate, and A B conjugate is equal to A conjugate into B conjugate, and see here, if we take the A star whole star, then it will be the same matrix A, and A plus B star, that is A star plus B star, and lambda A star is equal to lambda bar into A star, and A into B whole star is equal to B star into A star. In general this will be A1, A2, A3 and so on An whole star, that is equal to An star into An minus 1 star into dot dot A1 star. It is also correct in general way. Now there are some problems, and these are very important problems. If A is a skew Hermitian matrix, then show that iota A is Hermitian. Now see here, if A, now see here we have put in here, we take the conjugate of transpose of A. So iota A star, that is equal to A star into iota star, and this is equal to minus A, because A is skew Hermitian matrix and iota star is equal to minus iota, then this will be equal to iota into A. So in this way iota A will be Hermitian matrix. And next another example, show that every matrix is expressible as the sum of Hermitian and a skew Hermitian matrix. Now see here, let A be any square matrix, then we can write this A plus A star upon 2 plus A minus A star upon 2 is equal to P plus Q. Now see here, P is equal to A plus A star by 2, then we can find P star, and that will be equal to A star plus A star whole star upon 2, and that is equal to A plus A star upon 2, that is P. Therefore P is Hermitian matrix, and because A star whole star is equal to A. Now at the same way we can find Q star, that is equal to A star minus A star whole star and upon 2, that is we can take minus sign common, then it will be equal to A minus A star by 2, this is minus Q. So Q is skew Hermitian matrix. So in this way this is the problem, so that every matrix, a square matrix, can be explained in the Hermitian matrix as well as in the skew Hermitian matrix. So, in this lecture we have studied about complex matrix, and after that conjugate of complex matrix and its transposed, and on the basis of that we define Hermitian matrix, skew Hermitian matrix, and after that unitary matrix. And in the unitary matrix we show that an important result, which is this, कि a square complex matrix is a unitary if this given matrix is equal to unitary if alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square is equal to 1. So, in this problem we have to point out only this thing, कि if you have to show that this is unitary, then you have to take the transpose of conjugate of A and then multiply by A. If this is identity matrix, then you can say that A is the unitary matrix. And after that there are these are the results which are very important results, because you can directly apply A star into A star, means if you have given a complex matrix and you take the transpose of its conjugate and again you take the transpose of its conjugate, then you will get the same original matrix, given matrix. And in the addition case this is correct. If A plus B is a complex matrix, then this is the then conjugate transposed of A plus B will be same as sum of its conjugate transposed matrices A and B. So, and AB into A into B star is equal to B star into A star. See here, you have to very careful here, कि A into B star is equal to B star, means transposed conjugate of last matrix into transposed conjugate of second last matrix and into transposed conjugate of third last matrix. So, in this way this is the important thing. If you multiply A star into B star, then you will be wrong, then result will be wrong. So, in this way we can find all the problems, we can solve all the problems as this given, and this is also important problem, iota A is Hermitian if A is skew Hermitian, and this is again a problem which have been shown, and in this way these are the lecture on the complex matrix. Thank you very much.